Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the Pepe update today. Hopefully you guys had an amazing Eid and festivals out there. So we're back on track again, and it does look like Pepe is getting some signs of life one more time. So we're having this little bit of a pattern here that actually went down. If I show you for the reference, it does look like Pepe is creating a little bit of a descending broadening wedge right over here, which is actually a bullish pattern. If I just show you this on Google, this is how the prices looks like when you have a descending broadening wedge. Or the basic idea is that when the prices are falling down and they're broadening like this, eventually it means that in the future you're looking for a reversal back to the upside. So this, whatever this is almost identical to whatever we're looking right over here. So basically you may expect in the next coming days we see Pepe coming up to 12,297 and then break above and go up to 14,093. All you have to see now is a break above, retest, and then you go back up right over here. And that's all for the very quick update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.